miss that smell.
Of gunpowder?
Yeah. It smells good. That sweet smell, dude. I got that on camera, dude. That was a bad one. That's fucking Howard Stern style. You know?
Yeah. Let's do it. Hey, those last two almost went in the same place.
Did they?
Yeah.
3 more shots, and that's it. God, I wonder why Mark's so tripped down. Weird, huh?
Because he can't shoot for shit.
No, it's something else. Just straight up scared him.
Leave the mag in there.
Leave it in?
Leave the mag.
Was it in?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a weird pattern, dude. Like when I was resetting, I was coming back, you know? Like in that one range.
Those two right there.
Oh, they were right in sync. Those are good ones. Cool, let's take these. You want to just take a couple of them?
These are yours. These two.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'll just take these two. I'll end up throwing them away anyways.
Just get them on camera.
Yeah?
Just get them on camera.
These ones, that was probably the best one. This was a lot of rounds though. You know? Which one?
Oh, yeah.
That was a lot of rounds.
And
Dude, you're a good shot.
I've been practicing.
Have you?
Well, I've shot since I was a little kid.
Yeah. Want to toss the rest?
Yeah, I want to see the rest. I did a head sheet. There it is.
I
think so. Yeah.
There. You want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to toss it. Yeah. Cool, dude. That was fun.
Yeah.
I'll just save that box of shells if.
They won't take them?
Yeah.